In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Hostinger account. This is a crucial process if you have decided that Hostinger no longer suits your needs. So let's walk through the necessary steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Firstly, before initiating the deletion process, it's vital to prepare your account. Make sure that no active services like hosting, domains, VPS, or email are linked to your account. You'll also want to check that there are no outstanding balances or credits remaining. If there's anything left unpaid, you won't be able to proceed further. Moreover, ensure that no pending subscriptions could stand in the way. Taking care of these details up front will help prevent any unnecessary interruptions when you attempt to delete your account. Once you've prepared your account, it's time to request the deletion through hPanel. Start by logging into your hPanel. Look for your profile icon, which should be located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and navigate to account information. As you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll spot the option to delete account. Click on that. Before you can proceed, you will need to acknowledge a warning. This step is critical because deleting your account is an irreversible action. You'll have to check the confirmation box to verify that you understand this, then click Delete. If you haven't met all the initial conditions we discussed, an error message will appear, prompting you to remove any remaining items from your account. Make sure to resolve these issues before attempting the deletion again. After you've successfully requested the deletion in hPanel, the next stage involves confirming it via email. Head over to your inbox and keep an eye on your spam and updates folders too, just in case the email finds its way there. Look for the confirmation email from Hostinger, then find and click on the Delete My Data link provided within that email. Once you've completed this final step, your account will be instantly deleted from the hosted region where you requested the deletion. Remember that this action is non-recoverable, meaning you won't be able to regain access to your data or account afterward, so make sure you're absolutely certain before you proceed. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure the smooth and effective deletion of your Hostinger account. Thank you for watching, and good luck with whatever your next venture may be. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments.